Who is Messi? Who is that?
Messi.
I've never heard of him.
The best player of the world.
What about Ronaldo? What about Ronaldo? Here's why Ronaldo's better. He's better looking. He has better hair. He has more followers on Instagram. Okay, stay with me, stay with me. He can kick the ball harder. He has a hotter wife. He has more followers on Instagram. Who has more? It doesn't matter. How many euros does Messi have? Exactly. Stay quiet. Ronaldo's the best. Yeah, Ronaldo. Yeah.